So good noon to one and all. Today in this lecture I am going to explain the question 7a. So the line inclined to both HP and VP. So for that we have to draw the inclined to HP and inclined to VP diagram in the same XY. So before going to start the drawing, in this question we have to identify surface angle first. Then with respect to that angle you have to finish the four case drawings. Then after you have to use another angle for drawing the fifth case and sixth case drawing. So here in this question the surface is inclined 30 degrees to VP. So for that you have to start the diagram at front view. So use polygon command and draw the pentagon type of plane is pentagonal plane. So we need to draw the pentagon at above the XY. So this is our first case drawing. So already we have finished this type of question in 6B. So we have to draw the front view diagram first. Then after you need to draw the top view as a straight line. You need to draw the projection lines to downside. So here in this question, the side is resting on VP. So that's why we have to draw the projections up to XY. So that means there is no in front VP distance. So that's why we have to draw the projections with respect to these five corner points up to XY. Okay. So it is resting on VP. So that's why we have to draw the projections for A, B like this up to XY. And similarly, we have to draw the projections with respect to E and C up to XY. So why? Because these 2 points are in same line. So that's why I'm drawing only single line like this. And again, you have to draw one line on the XY. So don't forget this line. Okay. So for drawing the projections, we have to use point command for indicating like that. And then you need to copy that straight line which is presenting on XY. So before going to copy, I am indicating the text as a in B in bracket A, I think so. Okay, B in bracket A, E in bracket C, and D. So why? Because here B, C, D are clearly visible, and A, E are at back side. So here A, E, D are clearly visible. So we need to copy this drawing, and then I'm going to rotate this drawing by using the rotate command. So this is my base point. So here the rotation angle VP angle is 30 degrees. So it is related to VP. So 360 minus 30, it is nothing but 330 degrees. So we have to give the rotation angle as 330. Okay, so 360 minus 30. So for your understanding, I am typing like that. So it is 330. So now third case drawing completed. So once verify whether it is 30 degrees or not. So 30 degrees is there. And next draw the projections with respect to these five corner points which is presenting on inclined line. So like this. So you will get three projection lines with respect to these 5 points. And then draw the projection lines to right side with respect to these 5 points. So like this, from D dash to right side, from B dash to right side, from C dash to right side. So like this you have to draw the projection lines, and then use line or polyline command, uh, then draw the compressed pentagon. So already we have completed this type of problem in the 6A and 6B. So same method we are using to, so like this, and select these sides and then give the thickness. So before that I am giving the text. So here A dash are completed. So that's why I am maintaining it as a A1 dash, and this one is B1 dash, and it is a C1 dash. This one is C1 dash, and it is D1 dash, and it is E1 dash. So like this we need to draw the compressed drawing. So I hope everyone understood this process up to the four cases. So remove the excess portions, projection lines like this. So now my four case drawing was completed. So up to here we have finished up to 6B problems. So now there is a new case. So it is a fifth case. So before going to draw that, I am giving the thickness to these portions. So for the compressed drawing and the line. Okay. So now we have to copy this fourth case drawing. That means this compressed pentagon, and we need to paste at right side of this drawing. So and you have to rotate with the HP angle. So already VP angle diagram completed, and now we have to copy the fourth case drawing, compressed pentagon drawing to the right side, and then rotate with the 45 degrees angle, 45 to HP. So that is the fifth case drawing. So all of you observe the screen. So here what is the question is, so here 30 degrees to VP, 45 degrees to HP. So 30 degrees to VP drawing completed, and now 45 degrees to HP. So why we need to start the drawing with respect to VP drawing means here the surface is inclined to VP. So that's why we need to start the drawing with respect to the VP angle. Okay, so we have to start the drawing at front view and then rotate the straight line with the HP angle. And now I have copied these objects, and then select that base point and move the mouse right side and click there. So now the fourth case drawing is copied, and now I'm selecting these objects and use rotate command. This is my base point. So here inclined angle is HP angle is 45. So if it is 45 to the HP, then direct angle you need to type 45. So give 45. So here, what is the main important step is, if you want to rotate the line, you have to give HP angle as a direct angle. Suppose if it is a VP angle, 360 minus angle. So here we are not rotating the line. If you want to rotate the compressed drawing, there is a one more formula for getting the rotation angle. It is minus of 90 minus angle. Suppose if it is rotating above the xy, we have to use minus of 90 minus given angle. So here minus of 90 minus 45, it is minus 45. So that's why I am giving 45 like this. Okay. So now with respect to these five corner points, you need to draw the projections to downside. Okay. And now draw the projections with respect to these 5 points like this. A, B, projection line completed, EC completed, and D. So now the same process, we have to use the fifth case and third case drawing, and then identify the required points. So now first I am going to identify point A. So this is the point A, and next point B. So I am using polyline, point A, point B, and next C. So how to identify horizontal line and vertical line coincidence? D and E. And next again A. That is the process. And give the thickness. Okay. And remove the excess portion like this. This is the process. And give the text. So already B1 A1 was completed. So I am giving different letters. So here I am indicating as A double one, B double one, C double one, D double one, E double one. Okay. Suppose if it is above the XY, we have to use A double one dash, B double one dash, just like that. Okay. So I hope everyone understood this process. So this diagram is uh, okay. This one is case one. So first we need to draw the case one, and next draw the projections. We will get case two, and next copy that case two diagram and rotate with VP angle. So surface angle 30 degrees, and then draw the projections. You will get case 4. This is the compressed drawing. You have to copy this and rotate with the HP angle. So here we have to use the formula for the rotation, minus of 90 minus angle. So minus of 90 minus 45 is the angle. So you have to give minus 45 for the compressed drawing rotation. So I hope everyone understood this problem. So thank you.